How to fix line application not responding correctly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your line application not responding correctly. So if your line application has been acting weirdly, so what you can do is simply long press on this line application itself, or what you can also do is simply head over to your settings, and once you're inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see the apps option, and simply find in the line application, which is from L. So once you find the line application, what you can do is simply click on it and just head over to your storage option, and just make sure you clear your cache and clear your data as well. But remember, you might have to log in to your with login credentials once you delete it. So let me just delete it, and once you re-log into your application, your issue might be fixed. So that is exactly how you can easily solve the issue regarding not responding in line application. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.